Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to create a snake AI using NEAT, which stands for Neural Evolution Micro Topologies. NEAT is an evolution algorithm that creates artificial neural networks. It starts with an initial population, and for every individual, the main function is run. After it finishes, it chooses the best individual based on a fitness function and reproduces it. In my case, each time a snake eats a fruit, his fitness score rises, and each time he dies, his fitness score goes down. Each generation, the snake with the highest fitness score will reproduce. When reproducing, every individual has a chance to mutate and create new species. The reproduction and mutation operations may add or remove nodes or connections to each individual neural network, making it more complex with the purpose of developing a smarter snake that performs better. With that being said, let's start coding it. While I was coding it, I faced some problems. First, I tried to use 24 input neurons or even 28 with 4 output neurons, and for some reason, the snake wouldn't learn, so I had to change it. I lowered the input and output neurons to 10 input and 3 output neurons, and it worked. The vision of this snake is in 5 directions. The first 5 input neurons are the distance to the foot to his left, forward left, forward right, and to his right. The other 5 input neurons are the distance to the closest object, his body or the wall. The 3 output neurons represent the probability if the snake should turn right, turn left, or keep going forward. The other problem I had was with the fitness level. I tried to use a more complex fitness rewarding system, but it didn't work. For example, I tried to give fitness for every frame that the snake is alive, but it will outsmart this and it will allow him to stay alive forever by creating these infinity loops. Then, I switched to the simplest system that you can have, and it worked. I only give the snake fitness score if it eats a fruit and remove when it dies.
Bang bang, won't stop till we're legend.
Before the final result, this type of videos take enormous amount of time and effort, so if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to be notified for future videos and hit the like button.
He deals the cards as a meditation, and those he plays never suspect. He doesn't play for the money he wins, he doesn't play for respect. He deals the cards to find the answer, the sacred geometry of chance, the hidden law of a probable outcome. The numbers lead a dance. That the spades are the swords of a soldier. I know that the clubs are weapons of war. I know that diamonds mean money for this art, but that's not the shape of my heart. He may play the jack of diamonds, he may lay the queen of spades, he may conceal a king in his hand while the memory of it fades. I know that the spades are the swords of a soldier. I know that the clubs are weapons of war. I know that diamonds money for this art, but that's not the shape of my heart. That's not the shape of my heart. maybe think there's something wrong. I'm not a man with too many faces. The mask I wear is one. For those who speak know nothing and find out to their cost, like those who curse their luck in too many places, and those who fear are lost. I know that the spades are the swords of a soldier. I know that the clubs are weapons of war. I know that diamonds mean money for this art, but that's not the shape of my heart. That's not the shape of my heart. That's not the shape of my heart.